If you want to learn how to invert negatives in Lightroom, this is the simple desktop method that can save you a ton of time. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to invert a negative using the tone curve and then how to fix the colors afterward so your image actually looks usable. This is especially helpful if you're working with scanned film negatives and want a fast starting point before doing any final edits. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and editing tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your photo in Lightroom Desktop and go to the Edit panel. This is where all of your main adjustments will live. Once you're in the Edit panel, scroll down until you find the Tone Curve section. The Tone Curve is the key tool for inverting a negative image because it lets you flip the light and dark values. Now, in the bottom right of the Tone Curve area, switch from the Standard Curve view to the Point Curve. This is important because the Point Curve gives you full manual control over the curve points. After that, you're ready to invert the image. Take the bottom left point on the curve and drag it all the way up to the top left. Then take the top right point and drag it down to the bottom right. What this does is reverse the tonal values, which effectively inverts the negative into a positive image. Once that's done, you'll probably notice the colors look strange or off, and that's completely normal. The inversion is only the first step. Next, go to the Color section and open Mix, also known as HSL. This is where you can start correcting the color channels one by one. If skin tones look unnatural, adjust the orange and red channels first. If the image has a sky or blue areas that look incorrect, make changes to the blue channel. Small adjustments here can make a big difference, so move the sliders slowly and watch how the image changes. After that, move to white balance and adjust Temp and Tint. This helps remove any color cast and brings the image closer to a natural look. If the photo still feels too flat or too harsh, go back and adjust the exposure. Usually you'll want to raise exposure a little to brighten the image and lower contrast at first so you have more room to refine the tones. Then if needed, return to the curve again and fine-tune the contrast manually. That combination gives you much better control than relying on one slider alone. The main idea here is simple. First, invert the negative with the tone curve, then correct the color with HSL, white balance, exposure, and contrast. Once you practice this a few times, the process becomes very fast and easy. So if you were wondering how to invert negatives in Lightroom, now you've got the basic workflow. Try it on a few scans, compare the results, and keep refining until the image looks right. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Lightroom editing guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.